Welcome back, coming up with a new category of the budget friendly nice casual collection. So clients have been asking us for some special casual clothing collection, something which is very comfortable, something which they can carry on their holiday trip, something which you can wear it for small gatherings or regular wear for all those people. This episode is going to help you a lot. We have developed few collections initially, and then we'll keep on adding more collection, more prints and more designs. All of these, the fabric quality is going to be on the premium range of the printed cottons. For people who would like to wear these as kurtis also, you can team them up with leggings. These can be worn as a dress like the one which I am wearing, or you can also team this up with a legging. So I have tried both the ways and both the looks turn out to be amazing. Which I am wearing is one such boho style, which is I like to have a little shape till the yoke part because I am a petite personality, so that's how I got the fit done. So the one which I am wearing and also the one which you see are exactly the same pieces. So these are amazing, nice fine quality of the indigo printed cottons. So వీటికి ఏంటంటే మీకు adjustable string ఇచ్చేసాము back side, so that you wanna wear it even like the kind of fit which I am wearing, which has exact fit till the yoke part also. You can adjust based on this string. If you would like to pair this up with leggings also, this looks amazing. So this is the first outfit which I am showing you in the casual collection, and it has nice fine detailing. Even on the front, if you see, the yoke part has beautiful detailing, very apt for the casual clothing, very apt if you are looking for some travel wear. The next frock is something which is in cotton. This is a nice light cream color. This also has a nice fine detailing on the yoke part, nice pleats, and also ivanni fine quality of cotton andi. Kinda kuda meeku frills vachestunnayi. So amazing. Again, it comes with a string on the back for your fit. The next design in the casual clothing, this comes in black cotton, and if you see, this has embroidery in thread work on the sleeves pattern undandi. These are all balloon sleeves, beautiful pattern, and also if you see, these are all the layered flares. So they're very comfortable to wear. Even after wash, they are like so soft and so nice to wear. Love the cord sets. Here are the cord sets in nice affordable prices. Here is the first piece. So this is the one in the frock choosing lantlone. It's the printed one, and this comes with nice gathers here. Very apt for people who wanna wear nice stylish kind of cut. And this comes with also come with a nice belt here, which you can tie, and pockets. So this has pockets on both the sides and a nice belt on the waist. So this looks super stylish after you wear it, and these are available in sizes. Another cord set. This is in the cotton printed. This is the multicolor nice fancy print. So for people who want to conceal the waist portions, who are little heavy on the top, these work very well. And this also comes with pants, which also has a nice printed belt. Let me show you. So this is the top end, and here is the bottom. The bottom, as I mentioned, this has a nice belt also in print. This is one of those nice stylish collections, very pretty. And also if you see, the bottom has a slit. Very comfortable for you to wear, and also looks amazingly stylish. The last one is a beautiful jacket style for someone who wanna wear this on top of any of your plain t-shirts with jeans. Then maybe just you wanna wear a flared kind of jacket. This is one. You can also see the flare. The flare is very nice. This is in the combination of nice small lotus in pink and blue lavender tones. And the base is a white fabric. So this one, it is something which you can use for styling, for layering. Have some kind of spaghetti top, you want to team that up with a jeans or something also. This looks so stylish. So these are the limited collection of the casual clothing which we have developed. The pricing will be mentioned below. So please get in touch with my team. Mention your size before you place an order.